Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your AN Pro 2 keyboard. First, make sure your keyboard has enough power. You can either connect it using the included USB-C cable or ensure it's fully charged for wireless use. Next, locate the small power switch on the back of the keyboard, usually near the USB-C port. Flip this switch to the on position to power up your keyboard and prepare it for connection. Now, let's connect wirelessly via Bluetooth. Press and hold the FN2 key along with one of the number keys, specifically 1, 2, 3, or 4, for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the LED light on the chosen number key flash quickly, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your computer or mobile device, open your Bluetooth settings, search for AN Pro 2, and then select it to establish the connection. For a reliable wired connection, simply use the USB-C cable that came with your AN Pro 2. Plug one end into the keyboard and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your operating system should automatically detect and install the necessary drivers, making it ready to use instantly. To unlock its full potential, download the Abendslab Starter software. This allows you to customize key bindings, create macros, and personalize the vibrant RGB lighting. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry. A common fix is to reset the keyboard by holding down the FN2 key and the escape key simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Also, ensure your device's Bluetooth drivers are current. Remember to keep your keyboard charged. A full charge provides approximately 8 hours of wireless usage. For more detailed assistance, always refer to the comprehensive AN Pro 2 user manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.